Did you know that the first electronic spreadsheet, VisiCalc, was introduced in 1979? This innovation revolutionized financial modeling and forecasting, paving the way for the sophisticated tools we use today. In today's data-driven business world, organizations lacking expertise in financial analysis, modeling, and forecasting often find themselves at a competitive disadvantage. They may struggle with creating accurate financial projections, face challenges in evaluating complex financial scenarios, or fail to provide insightful financial analysis to support strategic decisions. This can result in poor financial planning, missed investment opportunities, and increased vulnerability to market fluctuations. At the individual level, finance professionals may find it difficult to build comprehensive financial models, struggle with incorporating multiple variables into their forecasts, or face challenges in presenting complex financial scenarios in an understandable manner. This can lead to less reliable financial projections and reduced confidence in financial recommendations. This certification course comes to the rescue by providing in-depth knowledge and practical skills in financial analysis, modeling, and forecasting. It equips participants with advanced tools and techniques to analyze financial data, build robust financial models, and create accurate forecasts. By pursuing this certification, individuals will gain expertise in advanced Excel techniques, financial statement analysis, sensitivity analysis, scenario modeling, and forecasting methodologies. They'll learn to build integrated financial models, conduct valuation analysis, and create dynamic dashboards for financial reporting. The impact on organizations can be significant. With certified professionals in financial analysis, modeling, and forecasting, companies can expect more accurate financial projections, improved scenario planning capabilities, and enhanced ability to make data-driven financial decisions. This leads to better financial planning, improved risk management, and increased agility in responding to market changes. At the personal level, certified professionals will become invaluable assets to their organizations. They'll be able to provide critical financial insights, lead complex financial modeling projects, and effectively communicate financial scenarios to stakeholders. This expertise can lead to significant career advancement opportunities in financial planning, investment analysis, and strategic finance roles. Don't let inadequate financial modeling and forecasting capabilities limit your organization's financial planning and decision-making. Empower yourself and your team by becoming certified in financial analysis, modeling, and forecasting. Enroll in this course today and take a crucial step towards mastering the tools and techniques that drive financial excellence.